Hey guys, I'm doing yet another reaction video because I just was looking at ceiling fans, wind chimes, and trains. I was looking at his channel and I found this new video, so I thought I would just react to it since I've never done a reaction video for any of his videos before. So without further ado, let's get started.
Feels windy today.
Trying to what is that chime right there? I'm not even sure what that one is. That Bells of Brianna sure makes a lot of noise. Oh, it looks like the middle piece keeps coming out. I guess it's in a really good spot where it can catch a lot of wind. I guess. Oh, wow, look at it. And there's the Gregorian chimes. I think that's honestly a really cool setup. The way he has them, because silver, black, silver. I like that. I really like the sound of this one. This is another one I wish that I could get, but oh my god, the price. I mean, they don't make the bells of Vienna anymore, but I mean, I could just get the Corinthian bells, which is pretty much the exact same thing, just different top and wind catcher. They sound really good together. They really harmonize well. I really like that. That's really good. Oh, here we go. Here's another pretty big gust, kind of. I don't think any of his wind chimes catch more wind than this one. This one, whenever the wind picks up, it just seems that this one really just goes. Wow. I just love the way the wind catcher just constantly spins around. It's funny to watch. I don't know. There's just something entertaining about it. Oh, and there's a dog. The Amazing Grace chime I see is looking a little rough. The medium Amazing Grace. The wood is starting to it's got some weathering on it now. Oh, the pocketball cannon is going quite a bit too. Okay. Oh, here we go. Yeah, the Ever Bells of yeah, even the Ever Bells of Vienna, the 44 inch, even that one's not making as much. It's not ringing as much. Oh yeah, that's sometimes. I shouldn't say sometimes because it actually happens a lot during the winter months, but oftentimes when it gets really cold, the bird bath that's in my front yard freezes overnight like that. It freezes over. So yeah, that is very common.
Like us. Feels like the teens out now.
Yeah, you see how this Bells of Vienna, just the wind catcher is just constantly going, and then you look at the other one, and it's just kind of yeah, it's not moving nearly as much, and I'm pretty sure it has to do with where they're hung. I love that one. I honestly really regret not getting. Uh, oh, I didn't even realize the video was pretty much over now. I was just saying, I really regret not getting chimes like these sooner. Just the larger Corinthian bells and music of the spirits. I regret not getting them before the prices just completely skyrocketed. I just really wish I got them when I had the chance. So, okay, the video is pretty well over. So, well, that's it for this video. Bye.